Welcome back to the Northwest School of Wood and Boat Building. My name is Sean Coman, and this is Shop Talk. Our marine system students have just begun to design and install electrical systems common to recreational boats. After designing the system, the students then install each of the components into their panel boards. Here, the students are tasked with not only installing the components correctly, but also sizing and using the appropriate wires, connections, and overcurrent protection you'd find on an actual boat. Just outside our current marine systems classroom, you'll see the construction of the new systems shop. This 4,800 square foot shop will provide a permanent home for our systems program and also allow for future program expansion. A huge thank you to Boat School alum Brent Davis and his crew for all their hard work putting the new shop together. As we head back up the hill to the Hammond Shop, let's take a look at what the boat building students are up to. Traditional boat building instructor Leland Gibson and his students have been hard at work in the final stages of the Hammond Rosinante. As we take a peek at the interior, you can see the talent and craftsmanship that is going into the construction of this hull. Sitting parallel to the Rosinante is the Hanson 4 service boat. Here, students are busy assembling and installing the components of the cockpit sole. Another project coming to life in the shop is the Abaco dinghy. Lofted and set up early in the school year, the current crew is just about to hang their final plank, the whiskey plank. Just opposite of the Abaco dinghy, Bruce Blatchley's contemporary boat building students are putting the final touches on the Clean Bay pump out boat. Here you can see the beautiful work going into finishing this boat off. One of the beautiful parts of this project is it not only provided a challenging hull for our contemporary boat building students, but it provided a meaty project for our marine systems students as well. Let's head down to the Waterfront Campus and take a look at what the students in the Mcpherson Shop are working on. Instructor Bruce Blatchley's crew is just about done with their carbon Grandy. This wood and carbon hull takes a classic design and creates a light and rigid hull. And another boat is completed. This 7'7" nutshell pram provided a great learning platform for our students as an introduction to their contemporary boat building techniques. Just behind the nutshell pram, students have begun the construction of a Rangeley guide boat. Each of these station molds is temporary and provides a shape that the students can plank around. At the end of the project, those molds will be removed from the boat. Let's head over to the Westrum Shop next and take a look at what Jody Boyle's traditional boat building students are up to. Our students learn to build boats, but they also learn to build the rest of the components, such as spars. That spar is being carved and shaped for this 14-foot lap straight Grandy sailboat. The lofting of the Nordic folk boat has now produced various components, including the transom, the stem and forefoot, the stern post and stern knee, and of course the keel, all made of white oak. Thanks for joining us on this version of Shop Talk. Until next time, be well. And one final note, please join us on October 30th for Hull Week, our virtual fundraising event.